Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new episode of Ankita's Kitchen. Today we are going to make this awesome egg bhurji, anda bhurji. It's a go-to partner if you're eating chapati. So let's get it started. Here I've taken one large onion, two large tomatoes, green chillies, coriander leaves, salt, turmeric powder, 4 eggs, and some oil. So here I've taken a pan and it's hot. To that I'm going to add the finely chopped onions. This is a very simple anda bhurji recipe. Every time I want to eat roti for dinner, I make this. So yes, once you've added the onions, just fry it. Once you feel the onions are a little translucent, you add some salt and some turmeric powder. Yes. Mix it well. So if you're trying to make this specific anda bhurji, you have to follow a certain rule. Okay, we are adding finely chopped green chilies here. I've used a lot of green chilies. You can add it accordingly. So yeah, if you're using one big onion, to that you have to add 2 big tomatoes. This is the proportion. So yeah, goes in the tomatoes, finely chopped. Mix it. Now we have to cook the tomatoes until it's soft and mushy. Meanwhile, I'm going to season my eggs, some salt, some crushed freshly grounded black pepper, whisk it with the help of a knife, fork or anything. Whisk. I'm using a spoon here, which is funny but fun. Okay, a good mix. So let's go back and check the tomatoes here. It's almost done. See, the tomatoes are done here. It's all soft. I'm just trying to make it a little more softer because I don't like tomato bites. Sorry, that was my phone ringing. Okay, you see everything is bubbling. Yeah, now it's good because it's all coming together. We're going to pour in the eggs. So now we're going to just try to bring everything all together. Scraping my pan. Here it's done. I'm going to turn off the flame and add some coriander leaves, finely chopped. Mix everything together. Yeah. So colorful. And yeah, I told you I'm going to eat this with roti. So I'm doing that, and this is how it looks like. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.